Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce to you the Haton Frosted Privacy Window Film. The striped semi-private window film is very easy to install. Additionally, the window film is adhesive-free and made with 100% non-toxic PVC and effectively blocks out UVA and UVB rays. To install, measure the desired window area and cut the window film accordingly. Next, clean the window area. It is very important to be working on a clean surface. After that, gently wet the window area where you'll be applying the film. Remove the backing of the adhesive window film and begin to apply, pushing out any air bubbles. The window film can be applied vertically or horizontally. Once the window film has fully clinged to the window, go ahead and take a squeegee or a credit card and push out all the extra air bubbles. Now you've applied the semi-private window film that blocks any unwanted views from outside. Removal of the film is also very easy as well, and it does not leave behind any adhesive or any residue.